In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Coursera account. Verifying your account is important if you want your name to appear correctly on certificates or need to confirm your identity for certain courses. To start, head over to the Coursera homepage and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the third option, which is Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll be directed to your account settings page. Scroll down the page until you find the Name Verification option. This is where you can verify your name. Click on Verify My Name to begin the process. You'll be asked to fill in your first name, middle name, and last name. Double-check the spelling to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've entered your name, you'll need to check a box confirming that the information you provided is your legal name and that you are at least 13 years old. Coursera may contact you in the future to verify your identity, and they might request a government-issued ID for confirmation. This step ensures that the name on your account matches your official documents. When you're confident that all the details are correct, click the Submit button. After that, your name will be verified and saved in the system. If Coursera does require additional verification, they'll send you an email with instructions on how to provide the necessary documentation.